Folks, here's one for you today, a 2012 Ford Focus SE, certified pre-owned right here at Ravenel Ford. This car is just as nice as a new car, and you'll be able to pick it up at a really attractive price. Black in color, Continental tires with alloy wheels. Good looking car. These cars get really good gas mileage. Very clean, no major dents, stings, or scratches on her. This vehicle has just around 17,000 miles. As you can see, she's in great shape. Got the fog lights there on the bottom. Good looking, aggressive front end. Let's take a look at the interior. Green dot vehicle, that means it's extra clean, extra inspected, extra serviced, extra set of keys. You get a comprehensive warranty at no charge. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. This has the black interior. Steering wheel has all your features on it, like audio functions, Bluetooth cell phone system, cruise control, all that good stuff right there on the steering wheel. Automatic transmission. Does have Microsoft Sync. Gives you that USB auxiliary hookup you may be looking for in your vehicle. Smartphone ready. In great shape, clean. Again, only 17,000 miles. Let's take a look at the price. Market retail is $20,250. Sale price at Ravenel Ford, $18,400. We have no dealer admin fees or dock fees. You can save you some money buying a car out here at Ravenel Ford. Again, they're only 15 minutes south down Savannah Highway. Here's one thing that's kind of cool. New Ford is $98 over factory invoice. Can't beat that. Come on out here and see us. 15 minutes south down Savannah Highway past the Citadel Mall. We'll talk to you soon.